Brad Bisnet here from Coiled Publishing, and I'm chatting with Dave from General Pipe Cleaners. Dave, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing awesome. I love stopping by here and checking out all your machines every year.
Yeah, thank you.
But there's a whole bunch of these samples sitting around the booth.
Yeah, I know.
Please tell me what we have going on here.
Well, this is a Flexicore cable sample.
Okay.
Flexicore cable is something unique to General. We're the only ones that make it. It's one of the things that defines our line against all the other competitors that we have. See, the end here, try to pull that out. Can't do it.
It's not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere. That's because unlike every other type of cable out there, we start with this wire rope. It's a 49-strand aircraft quality wire rope.
Okay.
And then we tightly wind the spring steel around that. So there's no room. And that's why you can't pull it out.
Yeah.
Nobody else does that. Everybody else just coils the cable, and if they want to put an inner core in, they drop it in afterward. It slides around, it rattles around in there.
Okay.
The reason why we go to the trouble of doing this, and it is a patented process that takes a little bit more effort, is that when this cable is under torque, when it's going in forward, the outside spring, being a spring, wants to contract. It wants to get smaller, right? That's what springs do.
Yeah.
But the wire rope is in the way. And so it can't do that. And the way it reacts mechanically to that situation is it gets stronger. It stiffens right exactly when you need it the most. So this is important. I mean, this is a safety feature. It makes it less likely to kink. It makes it stronger so you can actually do more work. We find in our test pipes we can actually bore through a 2x4 in a pipe if we take our time and just allow this thing to transfer torque from the motor to the cutting head and just bore through whatever's there. Plus, it will last longer. And this is one of the things where really dollars and cents show up in this equation. Because if you take our cable and you put it in your machine, whatever machine you're using, you're going to find it's going to last longer. Sometimes twice as long, sometimes a lot longer than that. We've had people show up at this booth that have machines for 22, 23 years, have the original cable in them because they know how to treat it. As long as you lubricate it at the end, this thing will hold up. So again, safer, does more work, and it will last longer, which saves you a lot of money over the course. Imagine if you only went through half as many cables as you are now. What if it was only a quarter of them? I mean, that can be a game changer for somebody, and a real rationale to use our cable.
And if you're saving money, you're making more money.
That's right.
Exactly. So
That's right.
I think this really sets you guys apart. This is a game changer. Where can somebody go for more information?
Well, you know, it's drainbrain.com. Go to our website. We have a really good website. It has all kinds of information about this and other things. Or you can call 800-245-6200. Talk to the Drain Brains, our customer service crew. They're all very knowledgeable about this, and they can help you make the right decision.
Excellent. Thank you, Dave.
You bet. Thanks for stopping by.
Take care.
You bet.